Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers World. So here I am going to share with you essential vocab or vocabulary for writing. In IELTS essay writing, you need to know some special words or high level words that can enhance your writing taste and examiner feels that the student is having a strong English. So especially one day before the exam, I think you should go through these words. And the first word is, now often we use word common. For this you can have a special high level word is ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means extremely popular, extremely common in the people. So you can say that English language is ubiquitous among the people in all over the world. Or you can use this in any other way, like COVID-19 has become a ubiquitous infection. And the second one is, second word, like too much. This is too much or too many. For that you can use word abundant, or you can also use word ample. There are ample number of examples of something like abundant. People nowadays suffering from abundant diseases or health problems. So in case of health problems, you should use word ailments. So we can use word ailments. Ailments mean diseases or health issues. Next is near. He lives nearby my house. You can say adjacent. Adjacent means near. And the next is correct. So for correct you can say that precise or accurate. The answer is 100% accurate. Instead of saying correct or right, you can use precise or accurate. If something is not clear, or we can say unclear or not properly understood, so you can use word vague. This is really a vague idea or a vague opinion, or even you can use word obscure. Many people do not understand this because this is a very vague or obscure idea. If someone is on top, you can say a word on summit or peak. Okay, and for competitors, like competitor in politics or in sports, you can use the better word is rival. Okay, rival. And the very common word is opinion. Different people have different opinions. So for opinion you can say perspective. According to my perspective. Please check the spellings because I am writing a bit quickly, so you can have a cross checking. For word like insult, insult is a low lying word, so instead we should use humiliate. So a boss should not insult his employees in front of others or humiliate his subordinates. For employees you can also use another word, subordinate or juniors. Next is complain. People often complain about insanitation condition. So complain, grumble. People often grumble about insanitation situation in the city. The next is complex. This is really a complex issue. So complex means something which is not able to understand easily. So for complex you can have better word intricate. COVID has become an intricate issue in all over the world. Lonely. Many people in big cities are living a lonely life. Lonely means solitary. Solitary is a high level word. For a word like small, you can use minuscule or minute. And another very common word is hardworking. When we have to admire someone, we say that he's a hardworking person. But hardworking is a very common. So you can say that assiduous. He is really very assiduous person. Okay, then difficult. This is really a difficult task. So how can you say another word? Difficult means arduous. Arduous means difficult, arduous. Poor, poor people. So we can say that financially weak, or deprived, or backward. Avoid. You should avoid drugs or smoking. So for that, shun. Children should shun using mobile phone. Attack. Assault. Physical attack, assault. Always is also very commonly used in writing, always. So you can use better word is invariably. Invariably means always. I always wake up early in the morning. I invariably wake up early in the morning. Enthusiasm. So better is zeal. People need enthusiasm in every field. People need zeal to progress in life. The next is exorbitant. It means expensive. Exorbitant means expensive. So instead of saying expensive, you should use word exorbitant. Exorbitant means costly. Exorbitant petrol prices prevent people from using their personal vehicles. Okay, so if you have to use word luxurious lifestyle, luxurious, rich people have luxurious lifestyle. So you can also say lavish. Lavish is better than luxurious. Dangerous. Life in hilly areas is dangerous now. It is dangerous to travel in hilly areas in rainy season. So dangerous, perilous. LOUOS. I think my spellings are wrong. It should be OUS. PERILOUS. Perilous या hazardous. It can also be hazardous. This is another important. Hazardous. OUS. They're a bit tricky spelling, so you need to cram them properly. Part. In this part of world, part, component, okay, region, area, or another word for stop, cease. People should cease to fight with each other. And for result, it has bad results. So results, consequences. Use, consume, intake, utilize. These are some better words. Appear. सामने आना. Appear. He appeared from nowhere. Emerge. The better is emerge. All the students of my class went for a trip. So instead of using all, you can say entire. Careful. In rainy days, people should be careful about their health. Cautious. People should be cautious about their health. Rich. in India there are many rich people living in India. Affluent or financially strong people, we call them rich. Despite of his best efforts, he was not able to succeed. Notwithstanding of his best efforts, he was not able to win gold in Olympics. Okay. Unbelievable means, you can use better word, inconceivable. That is unbelievable. Okay. Then method, there are a number of methods to solve this problem. Method, avenue, there are a number of avenues to solve this problem. Okay, the next one is possible, is a common word. This is possible, is a feasible. Feasible means possible. And we also write our essay, we start our essay writing by using word nowadays. So everybody is using nowadays, you can use currently or presently. So guys, these are the words that might be of great help to you in using your writing tasks, and one word I left, so means consequently or resultantly or accordingly. You can also use accordingly or therefore. Thank you for watching it.